Good morning. How are you today? Mom, welcome to the party. So, I've got two videos that I've been working on today for you. This is the second video. Um, this video here is about me noticing your reaction. Even though you were on the phone, I could hear the reaction on your face when you said, the icons are smaller. And I said to myself, oh, yeah, the icons are smaller. And as I thought about it later, I realized that I want the icons to be smaller to give me more real estate. And that's kind of the excuse that I gave you. But there is an adjustment that you can do. And I said to myself, well, since I'm going to show you or call you or whatever and show you how to do it, I might as well show everybody this here. So if you could go into settings, and then you go into, I got a cheat sheet here. On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see display and brightness. Once you click on that, you'll open up this little panel on the right-hand side, and there's two different things I want you to do here. The first thing I want you to do is click on the one that says bold text, and it's going to be over there. Nope, over there. Click on the one that says bold text. Once you flip that to green, what'll happen is the text that you've been looking at is actually very pretty and pristine to make it look nice on the Apple machine. But what this is going to do is going to make everything bold. So all the letters will be more pronounced, so it'll be easier to read whatever icons you're reading, as opposed to trying to realize what the icon is and not really reading what the word is beneath it. Because some icons do look alike. Really, it's true they do. The next thing I want you to click on, after you do that, and it looks like this, I want you to scroll down a little bit more, or look down a little bit more, and you'll see what says home screen layout. So apparently, because Apple did change how the screen looks to make it smaller, to give people more real estate, to put more icons on one tab, they did say we'll give the people who like the old-fashioned way the option to have bigger text, to have bigger text, to have bigger icons. In other words, putting it back to the way you want it to be. That's all I've got to show you right now. Here's an example of the way it looks currently, and here's an example of the way it can look once you make those two adjustments. Those two adjustments are very minor, but they give you probably more than likely what you want in such a large machine: bigger text, bigger icons to be able to find your stuff. Now, if that is not big enough, there is another option, but I don't think you're old enough to be using the zoomed in option, because it really does make everything a whole lot bigger. And I don't think you're there yet. Wait another 10 years or so. See what happens. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy this video here. This is the second one for today. I've already done the one on contacts, and now this one is adjusting the screen to be bigger. Basically, all I want you to do is go into settings, go to display and brightness, change it to bold, and after you change it to bold, you also are going to change the home screen layout to bigger. Yeah, bigger. That's all I got to say. Love you. I got to go. Bye-bye.